So direct proof. We want to use direct proof to prove something. So a direct proof makes use of established facts. So it could be an axiom, it could be axioms, lemma, theorems, but they cannot use assumptions. So they should be established facts. Now let's look at a question that we want to use direct proof to prove. So the question is direct proof that if n is an odd integer, then n squared is also an odd integer. So what we have to do now is, since n is an odd integer, because they say n is an odd integer, we can say that n is equal to 2k plus 1, where if the 2k is an even number, if you add 1 to an even number, it becomes an odd number, and where k is some integer. Now we want to use this expression here to show that n squared is an odd integer. So we have n squared is equal to 2k plus 1, that's 2k plus 1 all squared. Now our task now is to show that this is an odd integer too. So we can go on and expand this. We have this will give us 4k squared plus 4k plus 1. Now let's consider this part. If you look at this part, because I want to express something which gives me it's similar to this form where I have 2 in front for it to be an even number, and then I have plus 1 that will make it an odd integer. So I have this, I factor 2 out, and then I would have 2k squared plus 2k plus 1. So you see that this is also an odd integer. So we have proved directly that if n is an odd integer, then n squared is also an odd integer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.